place I go 70. I'm headed there now. I was going to start 2012 out in the sea, but the tide's wrong. The tide's like 4 and 5 a.m. It's too early for me. Too cold. I'm going to the patch. Stand by. Well, we got our first little hit right here. Probably a shotgun shell. Stand by. We'll take a peek and see what it is. Piece of lead. First target. That's the only sign of life I've seen back here since this year. Of course, it's not live, but it was a box turtle. Looks like he might have got run over or something. And then somebody had lunch. I'm finding some bullets today, but no buttons yet. Well, I've been here 2 hours and dug some bullets. Finally, I got a button right out of that little hole right there, under those logs. It looks like a flat button. Doesn't seem to have anything on it, just a plain old flat button. Got something on the back, but you know, clean it up so we can see what it is. I got a different camera with me today. Let's see how this thing works. I don't know if I like it. Anyway, it's just a flat button. Well, it's the first button. That's what counts. You got to have one to start the count with. Stand by.